the Spurs with a sweep of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Tim Duncan with his 4th title.
This is going to be your league in a little while, but I appreciate you giving us this year.
LeBron James, a champion of the basketball world.
To be back here now and to be playing well with a chance to win another championship, I think that makes it extra special.
The fulfillment that you get after you win it re-energizes you. You know, it puts you back in a place where you're like, wow, you know, I want this feeling again.
And it begins in Miami. Game 1 of the 2013 finals, and either way, history will be made.
Felt great, excited. It's been a long time, and happy to be back.
It could be a 5th title, 5 for 5 in the finals for Tim Duncan, Greg Popovich and the Spurs. Or Miami will go back-to-back in the Big 3 era and start a dynasty of their own.
We know it's a different name, different jersey, but it's still our opponent. It's still somebody that's in our way. You know, we're going to have the same aggression and go out there and try to win the title again.
We know it's a 48-minute game, and we know if we can compete more of those minutes and we can execute more of those minutes, and our opponent will be in good shape. That's what you're thinking about doing. That's all you care about.
This is it. Don't wait around. Right from the gate now. Let's go, man. Take it on 3, man. Here we go. 6, 1, 2, 3. Go. Go back there.
Duncan straight up top. Backdoor pass intercepted by Bosch. Tipped it out to Chalmers on the wing. LeBron step through. James back to Wade. Wade with the finish. Well, that's not a bad way to start for the Heat.
And that's exactly what Greg Popovich was concerned about.
Now to Parker. Now to Duncan. Duncan, elbow right side. Backdoor Parker. High shot up and in. You can tell they played forever together. Game of many runs so far.
Pretty good job, fellas. They're shooting 53%. We're down 1. We've missed a million shots.
And here comes Cole. Working down the right side. Norris Cole across the way. Attack mode. Wade to the basket and the finish. Beautiful move from Wade.
He looks so good being in attack mode.
In transition, got to stop the dribbler. And the rebound, LeBron out on the runs, got everybody backing up. LeBron steps through everyone off the window and in. And the Heat up by 6.
We had great shots. They didn't go in. But I'm not happy with the transition. There was no transition D back.
Duncan back to Parker, right wing, third stop of the circle. They get it into Duncan. That's an easy layup. Duncan underneath the basket.
Duncan has scored 8 of the last 10 for San Antonio.
Oh, energy. Let's get into it.
0.8 of a second. Duncan's going to shoot it. Steps back and puts it in as the buzzer sounds. Tim Duncan with 12 points all in the second quarter. That makes it a 3-point game at halftime.
You know, what you're looking at is 2 elite basketball teams going after it, okay? You got to embrace the competition. Now, secondly is next possession, okay? Whatever happens, you got to get on to the next one.
LeBron, now no double team, one-on-one on Leonard. LeBron, he'll take him to the hole. James backs it in. How do you stop that?
When LeBron elevates at 6'8", nothing you can do about that.
It's a 3-point Miami lead. Duncan now works off the box on the right. Spins Haslam twice. Waits, pumps, shoots off the glass and hits.
There has not been a double-digit lead in this game. It's close most of the way.
It's to LeBron, but it deflects off his hands. Taken away by Parker.
And the mistakes are mounting up by Miami, and it has cost them a lead. The Heat have more turnovers than field goals here in the fourth.
Here's Dwayne on the drive to the lane. It's to James. LeBron tried to repost Wade. Turned it over. Leonard, great defense.
7th Miami turnover. Parker with a spin move. Oh, what a pretty play from Tony Parker. San Antonio dominating the fourth quarter. Coming down to the wire here in game 1. Miller picks up Parker on the screen. Now Bosch has it. Parker on the drive. Nearly lost it. Still dribbling. Parker with 2 to shoot.
Shot clock at 1. Parker not going to get a shot off.
Just gets it off in time. And he banks it in. What a shot from Parker. And that's it. San Antonio comes into Miami and wins game 1.
Take us through the sequence, the unbelievable shot there in the fourth.
Like, it was a crazy play. I thought I lost the ball like 3-4 times, and it didn't work out like I wanted to, but at the end I was just trying to get a shot up, and felt good when it left my hand, and I was happy it went in.
We're here to win. It doesn't matter how we're categorized, old, veterans, whatever you want to call us. We're in the mix right now, and just great to get the first game under our belts.
Well, it's pretty clear. There are plays to be made, and our offensive inefficiency really going down the stretch. Most of the fourth quarter probably hurt us more than anything. So we got to gather ourselves and get ready for game 2.
A big win, but it's just one game. We got a long way to go, but we'll take it. It's a big win.